Hey guys, Shruti Forever here. Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a video on the Soft Glam and Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I am so freaking excited. So let's get on into it. I did my face already, as you can see, because we're focusing on the eyes and the highlight today. So I have my baking action going on just in case these have a lot of fallout, because I don't know how they're going to perform. As you can see, I have yet to use this palette, but I do have the Modern Renaissance palette, the Prism palette, and the Subculture palette. And as y'all know, Modern Renaissance is one of my favorite palettes. I really enjoyed the Prism palette. I really did not at all like the Subculture palette personally, but I have faith that the Prism palette's gonna be good. I was skeptical about buying it. Honestly, ever since the Subculture, I've just been a little bit more skeptical about buying the eyeshadows, but you know, brands are allowed to have errors and bounce back from them, so I'm hoping this palette is a hit. Let's open this puppy up. Okay, so it has a ton of ingredients in it. Damn, that's a lot of ingredients. So that makes me believe that it's gonna be good like the Modern Renaissance palette. Oh my, yeah, it's a ton of ingredients comparative to Modern Renaissance ingredients. Looks like it's even more. Let's compare it to the Prism. More than the Prism, and definitely a ton more than the Subculture. Oh, these colors are beautiful. Yes. Here's what the colors look like. You guys have already seen some tutorials, I'm sure, but this is a beautiful palette. The funny thing, I know that this is in their spring launch. This palette is so pretty and like universal that it could truly be launched in any season. But I do think this is super gorgeous. Soft Glam is the perfect name for this. This to me screams bridal makeup, prom, and soft glam, just like they said. So I do want to open up the Modern Renaissance. They do look similar, but they do look different enough. However, there are three of the same shades: Tempera, Burnt Orange, and Cypress Umber. But I think that those are good repeat shades because those are shades you can use to set your lid or for transitions. Okay, so as you can see, I quickly did one eye off camera. First, I'm gonna go into the color Orange Soda and just apply that as a transition color. Orange Soda does not have a lot of kickback, but some of these other shades kind of do. But I don't typically mind that too much. This is a very lightweight type of shade, just kind of disappears. And that's probably all I would use this for, so that doesn't bother me any. Next, I'm gonna go into the color Sienna and also apply that into the crease. Sienna is very pigmented. Performing well so far. Next, I'm gonna go into the color Mulberry. I'm using a different brush from Morphe. The colors are blending out very nicely, very pigmented. The Orange Soda one maybe not so much, but it's supposed to be just a transition shade. All the others are really pigmented, blending nicely in the crease. I do wish Mulberry was a little bit more berry on my skin tone. I feel like the deeper your skin is, the more brown it's gonna look. It is a pretty brown though. It does have quite a bit of fallout. Now I'm gonna go into Cypress I'm gonna go into Cypress Umber on the outer crease. And I'm just kind of leaving this part blank because I'm gonna use some concealer there in a second. And everything is blending beautifully together. So I did not set my concealer, and I'm gonna go into the color Sultry, and I'm not dampening it because it's very pigmented. It doesn't need it. And I'm just gonna apply it right there. Ooh, I love this color. It's so pretty and unique. And then of course on the inner part of the lid, I'm gonna take the color Rose Pink right there on the inner half of my lid, and it's so effortlessly pigmented. Oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous. Just taking the other side of that brush and going back into Sultry, and I'm just going to clean up the edges with my blending brush with Mulberry. And I'm also going to take the slightest bit of Noir, very small amount, just for a little bit of depth. In the inner tear duct, I'm gonna take this color Bronze, which is a super pretty color. Just stunning. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, you guys, so I finished my liner and mascara off camera. Now I'm gonna finish up the lower lash line and then remove my bake. I think I'm gonna try Sienna first. No, I'm gonna go in with Mulberry. Okay, and now on to the best part of the video, the glow. As you guys know, I love highlighter. I love a nice booming highlight, and Amrezy is the queen of glow. If you don't know about Queen Amrezy, girl, what are you doing with your life? I'm not just doing this because everybody else is doing it. I genuinely love Amrezy. What I love about her is that she is unapologetically her. She's the baddest bee in the game. She is always spitting wisdom and just slaying the universe with her amazingness. I just love Amrezy personally, and she inspires me to go hard at everything I do. I just love her. So I'm honored to be trying out this highlighter in collaboration with Amrezy. First of all, I must say the packaging is nice. I like the soft touch to this packaging. Like, they could have just put this in a cardboard box and called it a day, but this box feels like quality. I love the rose gold detailing, and Amrezy says, I live for the perfect glow. It's constant focus in my makeup routine. I'm always looking for the most luminous glow with a natural second skin finish. This collaboration with ABH brings my highlighter dreams to life, and I'm so happy to share this sun in a compact with my Reezy Brighters. I know that this product will not disappoint because the queen herself made it. Let's open this baby up. Very protected. I appreciate that. Oh, this is nice packaging. This is very nice. It's got a beautiful hardware and it feels like quality. Ma'am, this is so blinding. I saw the stuff on Insta. It looks even better in person. It literally looks like a wave of like silk. Oh, I'm so excited. I just need to swatch this. Oh, okay. I think I'm ready. Is my spirit ready for this? We're about to find out. Okay, so I'm using a MAC 180 dual fiber stippling brush from MAC. This is actually my favorite brush to apply highlight. I know, sounds crazy, but it just blends highlight out so nicely for me. Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now don't worry, I'm going to blend it out. But this is booming. To the people who were saying that this doesn't work for deep complexions, I don't understand. I like to be extra and do the little glow stash. This is stunning. Bitch. Oh, you... Amrezy, I need to keep my wig. I can't let you snatch my wig today. You can have the edges. You can snatch my edges, but you can't snatch my wig today. I need my wig, okay? Oh my God. I can't even... Like, I don't need any more, obviously, because the boom is there, honey. But I just want to keep... It's so gorge. Do you see this? No, I do not have any studio lighting on. This is just the sun because I wanted y'all to see the beauty of this product all on its own, because I knew it was going to be popping. I already knew it was going to be popping. Amrezy doesn't put out crap. Amrezy is the queen for a reason, so I knew it was going to be on point. So now I'm about to give my final thoughts on both the Soft Glam palette as well as the Amrezy highlighter. So this palette, when it comes to the packaging, we know the staple velvet packaging. I like the aesthetic of it, but it is going to be hard to keep clean. As you can see with my Modern Renaissance palette, I clean this palette like once a week, and this is what it looks like after a couple years of usage. So I can only imagine what the Soft Glam. So sorry about the changing of backgrounds, guys. I'm just trying to make sure that y'all can see me, but I think that this is a very beautiful palette. I think that it's safe to say you can pick up both and you'll be able to come up with different looks with both palettes, because I wouldn't be able to do this particular look with the Modern Renaissance palette. I think that it performs nicely. The colors are very pigmented. The only thing, I found this problem with the Prism as well. These metallic and shimmery shades are pressed so soft. It makes them kind of crumble really easily. That causes you to lose more product more quickly over time, and I don't like that. I don't mind kickback with shadows, but when it becomes an issue of like, I'm hitting pan in a month because all the product keeps falling out, then that's a problem. But do I recommend this palette? I do. I'm glad I tried it because I almost didn't. Now, honey, when it comes to Queen Reezy's highlighter, you see the glow. My skin looks perfectly glowy and dewy. Usually I put Fix Plus on every highlighter that I use to make it look more skin-like. I don't need to do that with this. It is just flawless. It doesn't need anything on top of it to make it glide into the skin. It's silky smooth, pigmented, blinding, and yes, it is wearable on deeper complexions. Even Nima Tang wore this, who is much deeper than me, and it looked stunning on her as well. It's more of a champagne gold on me, but I do think that it is very flattering to my deep complexion. And honey, everything about this, the presentation, the packaging, everything about this just screams luxury and high quality. This will be my go-to highlighter. This will be in the front of my highlighter drawer, and I will be using this often. And in case any of you were curious, I ended off the look with my lips, and I used the Anastasia lip glosses in the colors Vamp and Warm Bronze. I used Warm Bronze in the middle, Vamp on the outer. This is our soft glam look. But alrighty guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any future content. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. What do you think of this look? Do you like this look? Do you love this highlighter or not? Are you interested in picking these items up? Please let me know in the comments below. If you'd like to see some more tutorials with the Soft Glam palette, let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.